Are putting their differences aside, they got together after 20 years. Now Lalu's RJD and Nitish's JDU face the litmus test of the by-poll results. Will their effort to form an anti-Modi bloc pay off, or will their experiment, which many have seen as a prelude to the 2015 Bihar Assembly polls, fail?
A complete change in the political dynamics of Bihar after May 16th. BJP's sweeping victory in the Lok Sabha polls paving the way for Nitish Kumar's resignation.
तो अपेक्षित समर्थन हमें नहीं मिला, तो इसकी नैतिक जिम्मेवारी लेते हुए हमने मुख्यमंत्री के पद से त्याग पत्र दे दिया है.
And if that wasn't dramatic enough, days later came the announcement of Grand Alliance, arch rivals shedding egos, joining forces to stay relevant.
बहुत रिस्पांस बहुत अच्छा पब्लिक ने वेलकम किया है सर जगह, और ये अटूट है और लोग चाहते ही थे ये सब बात.
आज सभी अटकलों पर विराम लग गया है और लालू जी और हमारी ये पहली सभा है इस उपचुनाव में.
And today the results of the by-elections in 10 assembly seats will prove if their political arithmetic was indeed right.
The results of the by-poll will decide the political fortune of both Lalu Yadav and Nitish Kumar, as they have joined hand after 20 long years. If they fail to win majority of the seats, not only will they be cornered politically, but also the JDU government in Bihar will find it difficult to survive for a long time.
While a confident BJP expects the momentum of its Lok Sabha victory to carry the day in Bihar,
तो महागठबंधन जो वास्तव में महाठगबंधन है, वह चारों खाने चित होगा, बुरी तरीके से पराजित होगा और हताशा का शिकार होगा.
the results will also test the strength of the Nitish Lalu realignment.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने जो ये दावा कर रखा था कि 10 सीट उनको आएगा, तो अगर 10 सीट में 10 सीट उनको नहीं आता है तो कोई दूसरा आदमी नहीं, अपने ही मुंह काला करके उनको बाजार में घूम लेना चाहिए.
And for JDU, these results will be nothing less than a fight for survival.
परिणाम हम लोग एकदम 100% ला रहे हैं. क्या परिणाम आएगा, क्या उम्मीद है? हम 10 सीट जीतेंगे हम लोग.
Will the Grand Secular Alliance work for the JDU and the RJD, or will the BJP, which walked away with 31 of the 40 Lok Sabha seats in the state, have the last laugh? With Prakash and Patna, Sagarika Mitra for Times Now.